Hello, I'm Vince with J.R. Smith, and today I wanted to go over our top set deck plate for roof drain installations. We're all used to using the sump receiver, the underdeck clamps, and the underdeck clamp bag in our installations. The top set deck plate will actually take a little less time to install and less parts, which makes for a better, cleaner installation, and also can save you some time and money and limit your liability from working above your head. So what we do is just using our top set deck plate, we won't have to use underdeck clamps. And we take our traditional sump receiver and we would just throw it to the side. Now, instead of having to use your traditional sump receiver and having to come underneath from the bottom and attach your underdeck clamps to attach the roof drain and the sump receiver to the roof, we'd go ahead and eliminate those, and the only part that we'd have to do is take our top set deck plate, attach it. For the sake of time, I already attached the 3 clamps to clamp the sump receiver actually to the roof drain, so it's just actually all one piece. You can actually put this together down on the ground floor or even up there, and all you have to do is just put this on, attach it to your top set deck plate. We have our holes here so you can actually attach it to the roof, and then all you have to do is just take this up there, drop it in the hole, make your attachments, and you're done. So it should save a lot of time, money, and effort, and less parts. Thank you. Hopefully this was informational and you'd consider this on your next installation. We appreciate all that you do for J.R. Smith, and thanks and have a great day.